Hi, welcome to another episode of English Breakthrough. Today I'm doing a demo speech at MGM in Cotai here in Macau. We were offered the grand ballroom, and boy, it is really grand. If you ever get a chance to see it, you will love it. We had almost 200 people in the room to attend the event, and I gave this as a demo speech. October is a very special month for me this year, because I've been a Toastmaster for 40 years. I joined Toastmasters when I was living in Canada in October of 1980. So next month is 40 years as a Toastmaster. So I can tell you, Toastmasters will improve your confidence and make you a much better speaker. Mind you, it's for speaking in front of groups of people, large groups of people. In this case, we had 200. But it will help you to improve English generally, but that's not the real purpose. The purpose is to give you more confidence, and the more confidence you have, the more you can do. Toastmasters is not for everybody, but anybody can join. What I mean by that is anybody can pay the money and sign the document, but it doesn't mean you're going to be a great Toastmaster. Not everyone will be a great Toastmaster. You need to put in effort if you want to get something out of it. I suggest you go to the website www.toastmasters.org and have a look. Maybe there's a club in your area. Use the Find a Club function and see if there's a club in your area. They may be meeting online on a virtual meeting on Zoom, or they may be meeting in a real location. Give yourself a chance and go as a guest. It won't cost you anything to go as a guest, and see how other people have actually gained and improved their presentation skills and their oral English because of Toastmasters. Anyway, here's the video.
Please welcome to the stage distinguished Toastmaster
Start with a little quiz. How many colors have we got here? You're wide awake. That's good. Sandy, can you give me a hand? Can you pick one color?
Red.
Amazing. You heard what she said?
What?
So let's begin the actual presentation. A janitor was cleaning up after a court case, and he was cleaning the garbage can, and he noticed there were 3 notes that the judge had written during the trial. He opened up the first note, and the note said, "I don't like this person. Why don't I like this person?" He reached in the can, he picked up the second note, and the second note said, "I don't even know this person." And then he looked at the third note, and it said, "That's why I don't like this person." So, many times when we make a first impression, it's a wrong impression. Before we go any further, how many people are here for the first time at a Toastmasters meeting? First time. Don't be shy. First time. Oh, that's quite a few people. So, quick answer. What was your first impression when you came in and they gave you your tag? What was your first impression? Anybody? Did you feel good? That's not good. It felt great. Okay, good. We got some response. Thank you very much. So very often we make our first impression, and when we make our first impression, it's a lasting impression. But being a Toastmaster, you get different ideas from your first impression. And it's important when you come to your first meeting to walk away with a good impression, and hopefully I'll do that for you. Whew. Wow. So what is Toastmasters all about? Well, Toastmasters is how many of you think? Why did you even think to come to this meeting? What was your reasoning? Making new friends. Yeah, that's good. Any more? Self-improvement, yes, that's a good one. Build up your confidence. That's the perfect answer. So many people say they come to improve their English, maybe your Cantonese, maybe your Putonghua. Many people still think you come to improve your presentation skills because that's what Toastmasters is most famous for. But in reality, the key to Toastmasters, the real thing that you gain from Toastmasters is self-confidence. Self-confidence. Very important in today because with self-confidence, your career possibilities are endless. But without self-confidence, your possibilities are very limited. So it's your choice. Which one do you want? You want self-confidence or no self-confidence? But you know, self-confidence is a very interesting thing. It's not what we think it is. So some people think it's like a light switch. You have self-confidence or you don't have self-confidence. But that's not entirely true. It's more like a dimmer switch. Low light, medium light, bright light. So some of you already have some self-confidence. Toastmasters will increase your level of self-confidence and bring out all the confidence that you have inside you. That's really the key to Toastmasters. That's really what Toastmasters is all about. And I've seen many, many stories about people who were Toastmasters, and it really brings out your abilities, your hidden abilities. Earlier I said, oh, by the way, the key to being a good Toastmaster is not to just pay your fees, you know, sign your name. Some people think, you know, I pay the money and I join the club and then I'm going to get self-confidence. And they don't do anything. They come and they sit at the meeting and you will learn something just doing that. But if you actually engage, if you actually do the projects, if you actually go for the awards, you will gain so much more. You will improve your self-confidence, you will gain new skills, and you will become the person you are meant to be. So let me ask you, are you still thinking about it? Yeah, of course. Still thinking about it. Okay, you know, some of you are going to say it's a big decision. Some of you are going to say it's a small decision. Are you familiar with the story Gulliver's Travels? Anybody remember that? Yes? Well, in Gulliver's Travels, one of the things is the kingdom of Lilliput. And in the kingdom of Lilliput, they were discussing which side of the egg to break it on, the small end or the big end. And this was their life, their politics, everything revolved around this stupid egg, where to break the egg. And for some of you, you're thinking about Toastmasters, it can be a small decision or it can be a big decision. It's up to you. But let me tell you something. When you make the decision to become a Toastmaster and you engage and you do projects, I guarantee when you engage to be a real Toastmaster, you're going to, you'll really crush it. And then your life will be full of excitement and sparkle. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed the video. And again, go to the website, www.toastmasters.org, to find out more information about Toastmasters and see if there's a club near you that you can visit. Bye for now.